Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to perform the CRUD operation in Node.js using the web API. So first of all, we have to install the Node.js. So you have to go to the open Chrome's or any browser, then type download Node.js. Then you click here, then download the for Windows download the .msci file. I have already installed, so I have not downloading here. Similarly, you have to also download the MongoDB for database connectivity. So click here, then click here to download the. It will download the MongoDB, and just you have to run the setup next. Okay, in this way you have to download the Node.js and MongoDB. Now you can check whether it is installed or successfully not. So you have to type the command prompt, type node hyphen version. If you get this version, that means you have successfully installed the Node.js. Then for Mongo, you have to type MongoDB. Then if it will open, then you have successfully installed the MongoDB. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I am going to show you how to create the folder and how to use the dependency what required, how to install the dependency. Thank you for watching this videos.